Our client came in with a MacBook Pro that had a battery issue. It wouldn't charge, and the laptop would shut down instantly when unplugged. After running diagnostic tests, we determined that a battery replacement was necessary. Since the battery is glued to the base of the keyboard, extra care is needed during the process to avoid damaging sensitive components like the trackpad. Stick around to watch the full repair process, and if you find the video helpful, we'd love it if you'd give it a thumbs up.